Hello guys, welcome back. Have you guys ever wondered how to add drop-down menus onto your Word document? Well, I have, and today I have managed to discover how to do that and how you will be able to add drop-down menus first, or how to get developer to show up on here first. Go to File. From there, go to Options. And from Options, click on Customize Ribbon. Scroll down and add developer onto your ribbon. So all you need to do is just check that off. Once that is done, click OK. So then the developer will pop up. From there, click on this. This is called the drop-down list content control. From there, go to properties. Properties, just add the word products. From there, click on to, for example, if you wanted to add lip balm to there, click add. And then from the display name, you can click lotion, make sure spelling is correct. And then from there, you can also add another one. So from there, let me see what else. Face cream, click OK. And then right here, products, lotion, face cream. That is one way to add a drop-down menu. Another one, you can even add a calendar to it. Today's date, well, not today's date, but the 23rd is going to pop up. And you can even add chat box to it. So this is actually really good when you are creating a form for any. This is a really good trait to learn for a office admin executive when you're creating forms. This is actually a really good skill when you're doing document production. When you're doing anything for it. This is honestly a really good skill. And I hope this helps. And if it does, come on back to any of my future videos once I do any amazing Word discoveries. Have a great day. Bye for now.